Kris and I met back probably 1975. Kris kind of inspired me and others, I'll say. He's not a taker, he's a giver. He wants to make an impact on people, and he makes an impact on, I think, everybody that comes in contact with him. He's just one of those kind of guys that encompasses all that's good.
So when I think about philanthropy, I think about connecting people's passions to the needs of the world. And we think about all the opportunities that our students need in order to be prepared for the world that they're walking into. So having Kris support Dearborn students and thinking about how they can be more engaged citizens is critical to their success. Thank you, Kris. As you know, we started DSIP in 2007, and Amy was one of our first interns. And you sat her down a year after she graduated when she was in the field to ask her where she thought you should donate money. And she chose DSIP. And I was astounded by the sense of intergenerational responsibility you and Ruth bring to your family, and that love. We feel that love in our program and at Michigan every single day, especially in your support of Dearborn. But instead of me telling you, I have a special guest.
Hey Kris, my name is Lyric. I was a member of the 2019 DSIP cohort, and I just want to say thank you for your support of such a transformative program. DSIP actually played such a huge role in me finding my first job after graduation, and this last week I was offered a development assistant role at Michigan Medicine in the Cancer Programs Department. So thank you for everything that you do to support Michigan.
And thank you for being a UM-Dearborn difference maker.